tuning in to another episode of Living with Cory Mo. Nah, I'm just playing. Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, browse through the videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, post notification button. I'm trying to get straight to the video today though. So this is gonna be the last official, unofficial, non-official, official cold start of the Beastie RT. That made no sense, but I just took a shower. It's early in the morning. I'm live right now. I'm litty. So, what was I saying? Yeah, so basically it's going to be the last official cold start of the Beastie RT. Going to get headers, long tube headers, and high flow cats. So, here you go. That sounded immaculate, amazing, but I am in the garage too, so of course it's gonna sound a little bit better. But gotta get I want it louder. I want it loud. I want it to be obnoxious. As messed up as that sounds, but yeah. So going to do some JBA long tube headers with high flow cats. I'm actually running a little late, so I'm gonna cut the video off. And I'm also gonna post a video after this. It's a before and after of the, crank startup revs. That way y'all can hear the difference for the 5.7. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, as soon as I get over there, I'm gonna turn the camera back. I ain't playing no games in the Hellcat. Where we at right here. Just in case anybody wondering. We got a track hawk too. That is bad. Just so you know we ain't playing no game. Look at the wheels. Yeah. We got an IG right here. Oh yeah. Dropping my baby off for the long tube headers. You know what I'm saying? Track hawk thing over there. But that thing is loud. That thing is super loud. Yeah. No gas. shit dumb loud, bro. Hey, I almost dropped my phone. What it sound like over there?
I was wondering why it was so loud in here in the back seat now. Smoke.
Me.
Dang. I think my back seat went up by itself when I took off.
Bro, that shit is dumb loud.
You next.
I ain't
That
doing
shit really gonna shit on mine because you straight fight.
You need to talk to your subscribers while they looking at you.
Hey, I told y'all there's big things coming. Make sure y'all subscribe, post notification bell, thumbs up, comment, all that.
Yeah, man, so that's going effectively in this video. It took a couple of days and there was a couple of things that got in the way and whatnot, but the long tube JBA headers, Catless mid pipes install sounds amazing. Y'all let me know what y'all think. It's loud. Like in person, it hurt my ears. Like for real, no cap. But y'all let me know what y'all think. Truck spitting exhaust juices everywhere. It's actually exhaust smoke, but all over my car. Good thing I haven't washed it yet. But anyways, man, yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. I told y'all big things coming. This only the beginning. Excuse me. The only bad thing about the long tube headers is now I have the check engine light on, which he said the check engine light will be on because the cats are gone until you do a tune. So the unlock PCM engine and trans tune is next. Told y'all big things coming. And I still got some stuff that's being shipped that hasn't made it to me yet. I got some other stuff at the house that I still gotta get put on and in the car. So you gotta make sure you hit that subscribe button and that post notification bell so when I drop these videos, y'all get notified. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. About to pull up at work. It's Friday. Get this day over with, get the weekend started. The right way. The loud way. But man, y'all stay blessed and stay tuned for these videos because I'm dropping heat all summer. Yes, sir.